Hi everyone, welcome back to JemmaCooking. Add yeast and salt to the flour, mix evenly, and water. Knead the dough. Put it in microwave for fermentation. And cooking oil to prevent water. Mixing. Prepare 5 eggs. The egg liquid is scattered before it's formed. Mix the fillings. Knead the fermenting dough until smooth. Divide it into 8 equal parts. Roll the crust into a circle. Fix the middle first. Pinch left and right. Close the opening first. Fold the flattened part back and tag it. Recurve. Folding crust. Use a flat plate. Press the closer on the edge of the crust. Fry it on low heat for about 3 minutes. Please try, share it, and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in a comment. Follow my channel to watch the video at the first time. See you soon.